Welcome to this full body Tai Chi walking routine that adds the arm movements of brush knee, push from yang style. You'll relieve pain and stiffness, gain balance and mobility, while feeling a sense of flow and connection. My name is Ann Swanson, and make sure you click that like button if you are ready to feel the science-backed benefits of Tai Chi. And while you're there, make sure you're not only subscribed, but you got the notification bell turned on to learn Tai Chi walking from a real person. And you'll get some nature therapy mixed in as my family travels all 63 national parks to create these videos for you. Standing with your feet a little wider than hip distance apart. Bring your thumb into your belly button and drop the hand down. Other hand comes on top to place your hands over your Tian, or your center of vital energy, your Qi. We're going to take a deep breath into this area. Inhale, filling up the lungs, and then the abdomen expands into your hands. And exhale, let it go. From here, take your hands into soft fists, not tight and clenched, nice and soft. Bring them at your hip points, palms facing up. Turn your toes facing out for a warm-up. Shift your weight over to one foot. I suggest to mirror me in this, so you'll bring your weight over to this side, and that'll make the class a little easier. And then the other foot's gonna come forward, place the heel down and the toes down. But right now, you should be able to lift it. We haven't put the weight in it yet, which might mean taking a little smaller step, that's fine. Or you could take a bigger step as long as you can still lift it and the back knee feels okay. So once you place it down, we're gonna shift our weight into it and opposite arm punches straight forward. The palm rotates to be down. Let's do some checks. Look down, make sure you can still see your toes there. And then you're going to make sure your back heel is down, not lifted. And then bring that foot and hand back, toes facing out. Other side, same thing. Heel down, toes down. Lift it, test yourself, and then punch. Come on back. Let's do another round, nice and smooth. This weight transference is really key for Tai Chi walking. We have to place the foot down, test the ground before we commit. So rather than just normal walking where we fall forward, there's this moment where it's weightless. And then we intentionally fill it up. One more set practicing this. The foot is empty. You fill it up with the punch. And the feet are always first, and then the arms follow. This becomes important as we add the arm motions into our Tai Chi walking, making it a full body routine. Let's go ahead and step away from the screen. Just practice the footwork for a moment of Tai Chi walking. Hands can be either on your hips or your Tian, whichever you prefer. Shift your weight to this side, toes facing out, and then empty foot taps on the ball mound of the foot. Not the tippy toes, the ball mound, where there's an energy point. We're pressing into the earth. Standing tall, like the redwood trees. Tallest trees on earth, stable. But there may be a little swaying. Even the tallest trees gently sway with the wind. Feeling that strength. We'll begin. Heel down, toes down. Foot is empty. Now fill it up and your hips go forward. So we turn from the Tian to go forward. Weight back, lift the toes up. Turn from the Tian to turn the toes out. Make sure that back knee does not follow, it stays out. And then you place the toes down, come forward to tap. So we're driving the motion from the Tian, heel down, toes down, and shift forward, rotating the Tian straight forward. Weight back, lift the toes up, turn out, keep that back knee nice and stable, and then come in to tap. Heel down, toes down, forward, back, out, tap. Last one. And tap. Release your hands down, Take a deep breath, a one breath meditation. Let that energy settle. And let's practice just the arm motions now. So you can have your feet a little wider than hip distance apart, or you could even sit down for this part because we're going to focus on the arm motions and the weight transfer. So transfer your weight to one side and then the other. Notice if it feels better to have your feet parallel or a little out. Just find what feels good for you for this one. Now we're going to bring our weight over to this side and our palm out. It's an obtuse angle. We're not keeping it in close. Nice expansion at the elbow, reaching gently. Other hand toward the elbow. And my weight is on the same side as my hands here. We're going to then open. This is the important part a lot of people miss. So come back. Let's try that part again. Open. So this hand reaches out while this hand reaches out. And this hand, it does not go past your knee. We haven't brushed knee yet. We go right before the knee or right above it, not past it. So we're going to open, and then to brush the knee, we actually rotate the Tian, and that is what drives the hand to go past the knee. So it looks like I'm doing this, but actually, try it again, hand toward elbow, open, and then the rotation and shift of my weight over is what brushes the knee. That Tian drives the motion. You push this hand forward like you are saying stop, but the elbow's still a little bent, not locked straight. Softness. Let's go to the other side. So hand to other elbow. Practice just the open. Try that again. Open. Good. Open. That little reaching expansion. And then we're going to rotate to brush the knee and push. Now my weight is in this side over here. Let's try that part again. So we'll open, brush knee, rotate, push, shift. So now my weight's over on this side. One more time, and then we'll switch side to side. Open, brush knee, push. And then hand to elbow on this side. Our weight's on this side, hands start on this side. Now, open, brush knee, push, shifting the weight, rotating. And hand to elbow on this side. Open, brush knee, push. Hand to elbow. Open, brush knee, push. See if you can get into a flow with it. Remember, the shifting of the weight happens with a turn of the Tian and the brush knee push. First, we have to open. Beautiful. One more time. Let's put them together. So step on back, having room to step forward toward me, mirror me. So your weight is going to come to this side, toes facing out, weight on this side, empty foot taps, hand to elbow on the side of the weighted foot. Knees in line with toes, Tian in the direction of the toes and knee. From here, you're going to lead with the foot. So foot first, step, and then the hand follows to open, just to the knee. Now we're going to place the toes down. At that last moment where my hand comes here, place the toes down, brush knee, push, rotating and shifting the weight forward. Weight back, toes out, hand to elbow and tap. Now we're magically on the other side, ready to go. So from here, we'll bring the foot forward and then open. Toes come down. Brush knee, push. Weight back. Lift the toes up. Turn the toes out as you start to bring the hand to elbow and tap. Heel down, open, toes down. Brush knee, push. Weight back. Toes out. Hand to elbow, tap. Heel down, toes down as the hand comes out. Brush knee, push. Weight back, toes out, hand to elbow, and tap. Let's see if we can do one more step. Heel down, open the hand, open both directions. Toes down, brush knee, push. Weight back, toes out, hand to elbow, and tap. Release your hands down, take a one breath meditation. And we're gonna smooth it out now. It's a lot of words to say, so we're gonna just try to smooth it out and feel it in your body. Come back away from the screen, turn your toes facing out, shift your weight over, empty foot taps, and the hands are on the side of the weighted foot, so over on this side over here. And then we'll take a nice deep breath to begin. Heel, toes, open, brush knee, push, weight back, toes out, hand to elbow, tap. Heel, toes, brush knee, push, weight back, toes out, hand to elbow, tap. Heel, toes, brush knee, push, weight back, toes out, hand to elbow, tap. Last step, heel, toes, brush knee, push, weight back, toes out, hand to elbow, tap. Release your hands down, take a deep breath. Let's just pause in a one breath meditation. And then tap your thighs. Shake it out. Take your hands in soft fists. We've been squatting this whole time. So tap your thighs, march in place, outer thighs, inner thighs. And then take all your muscles and squeeze even your face and release. Squeeze the tension out. Last time. And inhale, arms up. Exhale, sink. Let the energy settle. Notice how you feel. And you know you can come back to this video to refine it. It takes practice to put the arms and legs together. It's kind of like rubbing your belly, patting your head. So keep practicing. And if you want to learn Tai Chi Walking for completely free, head to AnnSwansonWellness.com/walk. I'll also pin that in the first comment. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know if you have any questions. But definitely join my free Tai Chi Walking challenge. You don't have to sign up for a free trial or an app or anything. It's completely for free from a real person. So make sure you head there. And thank you so much and be well.